Okay, now we're on my Anthony partner with Anthony page. So check this out. I'm gonna log in right quick, and we're gonna go up to partner with Anthony, and we're gonna go over to commissions. Okay, and we're gonna go with Ryan. We're gonna go with this year, and we're gonna run a report. Okay. Um, as you can see, um, as you can see, um, so this year all products. Down at the bottom down here, as you can see, $844. Okay. Okay. All right. You see that? $844. And now we're gonna go over to my account. This particular account I use for to have the money deposit because I don't like people really looking into my bank account. So we're gonna go right here. $844 right there. That would deposit in my account on January the 21st. Okay, so that goes to show you that the system does work, and I recommend you continue on to the next page. That way you'll find out more about this product and how this product actually work and the income stream that this product actually produce. Okay, so go to the next video, and I look forward to seeing you in the members area. Okay.